Hello and welcome back to A Moment in History. I'm Seth Udinsky. In today's segment, we travel back to one of the most tumultuous and crucial periods in the history of the Christian Church, the 15th century. As the medieval Catholic Church was beginning to lose its dominance over the Western world to powerful secular nation-states, an inventor from Germany completed his first print edition of the Bible with his revolutionary new invention, the printing press. The man's name was Johannes Gutenberg. To understand the significance of this event, we need to get a sense for the late medieval world in which Gutenberg lived. For almost 1,000 years, the medieval Catholic Church had ruled Europe. In those days, Bibles were copied down by hand, only in Latin, and often by learned monks in monasteries. The process was both time-consuming and costly. As such, virtually no common people had access to the Scriptures. Even less had the ability to read them. Most villages owned only one Bible, and that Bible was often chained to the church pulpit, only to be interpreted by the priest of the village, who, more often than not, did not know what it said either. Enter Johannes Gutenberg, born in the late 14th century and inventor of the movable type printing press in the early 1450s. Where once books had to be copied down by hand, now they could be mass-produced at an alarming rate. In February of 1455, Gutenberg completed the first copy of the Bible on the printing press. The Word of God could now be widely distributed all across Europe, and the foundation was laid for the common folk to be able to read the Bible for themselves. Indeed, less than a century later, thanks to the faithfulness of men like Martin Luther in Germany and William Tyndale in England, the now accessible Bible also became readable to the common man. It was translated from Latin into German, French, English, and many other languages across Europe. Thanks for joining me once again for A Moment in History. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by commenting down below. And for more historical content, just hit subscribe. I'm Seth Udinsky, and I'll see you next time on A Moment in History.